Hey guys, it's me doing a video for you guys here today. So today, as you saw in the thumbnail, I have milk tea Kit Kat, flavored Kit Kat from Japan. So we have, it's like a cute little box too, a little package too. I'm guessing it tastes like milk tea. It tastes good, but again, a lot of the snacks I have from Japan, for some reason, they have like a little bit of like an aftertaste that kind of disrupts the overall flavor. I don't know why, but I don't know if someone knows why, maybe. Tell me in the comments, but yeah. So, yeah, I mean, if they had it in the store, I would buy it. There's actually another store in the Fairview shopping mall, which is close by my house, maybe 10, 15, maybe 20 minutes away, depending on traffic. Yeah, where they have lots of these snacks from Japan that you can buy here in Canada, Montreal. Anyways, as usual, guys, please hit the like button, comment, subscribe, share the video, and tell me things that you might want to see or me taste. Anyways, thanks so much and have a great day. Bye.